It's Build It Friday, and we've got the exterior done on this edition. Let's go check it out. So what do we have? We have in the front of the house, we have a combination of Hardie plank and cedar type shingles. Then on the side, we blended back in the old vinyl. Think it looks good. It's primed. Let me know what you think. So the front porch, we went ahead and dropped a tongue and groove pine ceiling. I'm not sure if it's going to get stained or painted. This existed, we're changing out the front door. And then here we have the cedar planks primed and then the cedar shingles. It looks pretty darn good. On the sides, we came back, they had vinyl siding, and part of this job, they didn't want to spend the money to upgrade the whole house. There's no need to upgrade the whole house to Hardie. One of the things that we did do is when we brought around our Hardie trim, we offset it so the J channel here lines up with the trim, gives it a nice clean look. On this side of the house, we blended in the old siding with the new. We're going to power wash the old to just get the dirt off, and it blended pretty nicely.